What's happening, everybody? I'm down here at Scarborough Beach in Western Australia. It's a nice day, offshore winds. I had a super fun session on this yesterday, which you would have just seen. This is the KART Mark II from RAD Handplanes. Really like it. I'm going to tell you why. So this handplane has a few things that actually come off it. First one is the GoPro mount. So there's a little fin slot that a GoPro mount can slide into. It's removable via the little fin key screw there, which is what I used yesterday to get the footage. And on the bottom, it's also got a keel fin, which is removable via the same system. On the top here, we've got the Garage Handplanes strap, which is custom made, and I found that really good. Your hand fits in there snug. It's really wide, easy to pull on and off, but strong. I think that's probably the highlight of this handplane for me. Just below that, we also have this little saver strap, so you can strap that around your wrist, so if your hand does come out of this, you're not going to lose your handplane. This does float really well though, because it is made of EPS foam. They're very durable. You get one and it's going to last you forever. Like, I don't think I'll get another one unless it's a different design. So that's another part of the design that's pretty cool. I like the shape, nice and round, pulled in at the bottom. It does have rocker at the front, which is good. And also concave in here around the fin. So concave kind of starts here and channels the water. So it gives you a bit of a hold, which I found was awesome. I didn't use fins or anything yesterday, so it was really good. I mean, this is not going to break. It's not going to snap. It's not going to ding. Float's amazing, so you're not going to lose it. All in all, it's just an amazing handplane made by professionals. So check them out. Garage Handplanes, link in the description below. They've got a bunch of handplanes, fins, straps, savers. I'm gonna head out, have another fun session. See you around.